Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter. From this video you'll learn how much does it cost. In the beginning, let's start with the standard scooters with the minimum range, minimum speed and minimum weight load. Those scooters can cost up to $350–400. The better versions with higher top speed and higher range can cost up to $700–800, and the best versions with the maximum top speed and maximum range can cost up to $1,300. And that's basically it. Remember that you can find yours on the Amazon. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.